Do you know the difference between a need and a want? Do you really need that new gadget or is it just something that you want? Every rupee matters, and understanding this difference can transform the way you manage your money. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super important topic that can change lives: financial literacy. Whether you are a student, a parent, or a teacher, understanding how to manage money is crucial for success in today's world. So buckle up because I'm about to share 5 game changing facts that every young person should know. But before we dive in, school leaders, I have a special message for you. If you want to empower your students with essential financial skills, consider bringing a financial literacy workshop to your school. It's a fantastic way to equip students with the knowledge they need for a secure financial future. Let's make financial literacy a priority. Alright, let's jump into those facts. First up, did you know that financial literacy improves decision making? By learning how to evaluate options, students can make informed choices about spending and saving. This skill helps them avoid poor financial decisions later in life. Fact number 2. Early exposure leads to better habits. Teaching kids about money management at a young age fosters a positive saving and spending habits. Imagine how much easier it will be for them to achieve financial stability as adults. Next up, we have understanding debt is crucial. Learning about loans, credit, and interest rates helps students grasp the implications of debt. This awareness can prevent future financial crises and encourage responsible borrowing. It's a game changer. Fact 4. Financial literacy boosts confidence. Knowledge about managing money empowers students to handle their finances independently. When they feel confident in their financial skills, it reduces anxiety and improves overall well-being. And finally, financial literacy provides lifelong skills for real-world success. Skills like budgeting and investing are critical for achieving personal and professional goals. These skills help foster economic resilience no matter where life takes them. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful facts about financial literacy that can shape the future of our students. If you are a school leader, don't miss out the chance to bring a financial literacy workshop to your school and empower the next generation. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content.